everyone, I am Aparna and welcome to my channel. Today I will share my stay at Hotel Oaks Bodhgaya. How was our room? What did we have for breakfast? How was our experience staying here? To know all this, watch my video till the end. We reached Hotel Oaks around 6:30 in the evening. It's a 4-star property and one of the best hotels in Bodhgaya. The hotel is located on the main road, so we reached our hotel easily using Google Maps. This is the reception area. They have beautiful sitting areas, a shop and a small cafe here. We booked 2 luxury rooms and our rooms are located on the 2nd floor. This is our room. I will give you a proper room tour later. Let's have our dinner first. We had our dinner at their in-house restaurant Oaks Cafe. खाना आ गया है। हमने ऑर्डर किया है दाल तड़का, पालक पनीर, मिक्स्ड वेजीज, तवा रोटी, प्लेन रोटी एंड सैलड। और ओलिवा के लिए हमने पास्ता लिया है। खाना बहुत ही टेस्टी है, स्पेशली पालक पनीर। दिस इज आवर रूम। रूम काफी बड़ा है। ये रहा व्यू फ्रॉम आवर विंडो। In this room we have space for our luggage, 2 sitting areas, a writing desk and a tea kit. ये रहा bed and TV set. The room is big and has enough space to accommodate 2 sitting areas. Let's see the bathroom now. The bathroom is well organized and has all the basic amenities. The shower area and the toilet area are separated in this bathroom. It is very neat and clean. Let's complete some work and reply to my emails before going to bed. Good morning everyone. Early in the morning we visited some temples in Bodh Gaya. I will share them in my next video. We are back to our hotel for breakfast. The buffet breakfast is arranged at Oaks Cafe. The restaurant area is pretty big with lots of sitting areas. सुबह सुबह इतना ज़्यादा घूम के भूख काफ़ी लग गई है. देखते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या क्या है. फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट वी हैव चिकन सॉसेज, चिकन नगेट्स, फ्रेंच टोस्ट, पोटैटो वेजेस, सॉटेड वेजिटेबल्स, आलू पराठा, सांबर, इडली, भाजी, पूरी, cornflakes, toast, jam, butter, bread, sprouts, cakes, cupcakes, curd and fruits. We also have dosa and omelette. मैंने लिया है सॉटेड वेजिटेबल्स, पूरी, पराठा, भाजी, फ्रेंच टोस्ट एंड पोटैटो वेजेस. After breakfast, we went to the terrace to see the Bodhi lounge. The place is beautiful. I learned about this place when I was researching this hotel on the net. Wow, the garden area is so beautiful. These giant flower pots look so pretty. आज का वेदर भी कितना सुंदर है। This garden is perfect for spending a relaxing evening, just chilling or reading a book. चलो देखते हैं यहाँ पे और क्या क्या है। वाओ, दिस प्लेस इज सो प्रिटी। पहले इस जगह के बारे में पता होता तो कल शाम यहाँ पे बैठ के चाय पी सकते थे हम। वाओ, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस। These dramatic clouds are adding extra beauty to this place. We did spend a few hours here before checking out. Oliver loves this place so much. This is the gym. The gym is located on the terrace. Now we are headed for our room. We booked 2 luxury rooms and we paid around 13,000 for one night. The hotel is located at Patna Gaya Bodhi Road and all the temples are nearby. We booked an e-rickshaw for our sightseeing. Our rooms are beautiful and have all the basic amenities. The hotel staff are polite and friendly. Overall, our experience was good. I am finishing this video now. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye.